Samsung is once again pushing smartphone customization to new heights with its next major software update, One UI 8.5. The update is already being tested, and leaks suggest that it will bring several smart and fun features, especially to something users see every day, the home screen clock. One of the standout features in One UI 8.5 is the new adaptive clock. It's not just a simple design change, it's a completely new way for the home screen to interact with your wallpaper. The clock now recognizes different elements in the wallpaper, such as people, pets, buildings, and even objects in the background. This helps the home screen look more alive and dynamic, as the clock automatically adjusts itself based on what's in the image every time you change the wallpaper. The adaptive clock updates its size, color, and position to blend perfectly with the new picture. It makes the phone feel fresh and personal every time you look at it. The best part? You don't need to tweak anything manually, it all happens automatically. Samsung is also giving users a lot of control. You'll be able to change the font style, resize the clock, and move it anywhere you want. This flexibility clearly shows Samsung's focus on giving users creative freedom, something Apple still limits heavily. Even in its latest iOS versions, Apple's system hides the clock behind parts of the wallpaper for a depth effect, but Samsung's version takes a smarter approach. The adaptive clock in One UI 8.5 always keeps the time visible and clear, while still adapting beautifully to the background. It's both functional and stylish, which is exactly what users want. Early reactions to the leaks have been very positive. Many people say the new design makes their home screen more personal and visually appealing. In fact, a recent poll showed that around 3 out of 4 users think Samsung's approach to customization feels just right, but the adaptive clock is only one part of the update. One UI 8.5 will also include new features aimed at improving everyday usability. One major addition could be an automatic call screening feature, similar to what Google offers on its Pixel phones. This would help users avoid spam or scam calls by screening unknown numbers automatically. There are also rumors about enhanced camera controls, allowing users to access pro-level settings directly in the native app. Samsung is apparently working on smoother transitions, more consistent icons, and faster animations across the interface. Even small details, like better widgets and easier settings access, will make daily use feel smoother. Privacy improvements are also coming. One leak mentioned a new feature that can blur or dim sensitive content on your screen if the phone detects you're in a public place. This could protect users from people trying to peek at their messages or notifications. However, it may first be available only on the Galaxy S26 Ultra before reaching other models later. Overall, One UI 8.5 looks like one of Samsung's most exciting updates in years. It's not just about performance, it's about making the phone feel more personal, smarter, and more enjoyable to use. The new adaptive clock, in particular, adds a sense of liveliness that makes your Galaxy phone feel unique every time you unlock it. Combined with privacy tools, AI features, and visual improvements, this update could easily become a fan favorite. In short, One UI 8.5 isn't just a software upgrade, it's a reminder of why people love using Galaxy phones. Even something as simple as checking the time can now feel more dynamic, creative, and satisfying.